So this is gonna be day 5 of me turning $50 into $25,000. And yeah, I took a trade just now and I wanna show you guys the trade that I took and kind of like have short recap and show you guys like the yesterday's also that I lost the trade actually. It hit my stop loss yesterday and show you guys my dashboard. But if we lose today, we will be down 2% on the count. That would mean like $130, $120 down on the count because I sometimes put a bit higher like my lot size because of the slippage, and that's why it's gonna be like a bit down and up. So this is the trade that I took, and I had few reasons for me to be bearish today. But before we came into the market, my bias was bullish, but it changed, and it was because if you look at like if you look at this equilibrium from this high to this low, we are currently sitting into this equilibrium range over here on the higher time frame. And as you guys can see, when the market opened, we came out, took out this high, filled into this 4-hour fair value gap more, and which was in line with this hourly fair value gap. We kind of like filled almost all of it. And then after that, bro, if you look at, we are too much overbought to the upside right now. It has to come down, bro. Price have to come down a bit to just fill into this fair value gap. And that's like, if you go on lower time frame, I got my entry on lower time frame. We see liquidity sweep. Then if you go on a 5-minute time frame, I saw a big leg to the downside, but price did move even higher. We did have this pending home sales news today. Let's go on 27th. As you guys can see, we had this pending home sales at 4, so I waited for that. And after that, if you look at the 1-minute time frame, so this is my confidence that I took. Like, look, we broke 1-minute structure to the downside. We disrespected this bullish fair value gap. Then we do have this bullish fair value gap that I really wanted to see to disrespect that. And if you look here, price respected this. We do have this fair value gap over here. Price went into that bearish fair value gap. We respected this fair value gap like really good. And after that, I saw, like, as you guys can see, big move to the downside, disrespecting this fair value gap. I went on and entered. My stop loss is above there, and I think we might just get stopped out or even go and hit our take profit. But my take profit is this 50-minute low over there. When the market opened, we saw a big leg to the downside, like these lows, and that's my take profit for today. And let's hope that it hits our take profit. It's kind of playing in this range of area right now. It's going up and down, but hopefully it goes and hits our take profit. And if you go on S&P 500, I missed this entry. I think this would have been one of the best entry to, like, one of the best setup for today. I did not take this trade. Like, I missed this entry. I don't know. I was just looking maybe on Nasdaq, so I missed this entry and didn't get an entry over here. But if you look overall, my bias was bearish on S&P 500 also, and that's because we took out this high, and this high on the market when the market opened. And as you guys can see, after that we see a bit of move to the downside, but we did still have this high over here that we did not take. So why I could have entered long position over here, let me explain why. Look, when the market opened, we saw liquidity suit to the upside. We took out this high and this high over there, and then we saw a reaction based on that to the downside. Look, we came and took out these low over here. So we have to keep in mind that we still have this hourly high up there that hasn't been taken out yet. So price is potentially going to go and take that out. But if you go on 1-minute time frame, here is what our confidence would have been. Look, we see a liquidity sweep, boom, we take out this low. We see a disrespect of this fair value gap, 1-minute break structure to the upside. I could have waited for this to come and fill into this imbalance over here, or fair value gap we can call it. And then we see a bullish candle close above there. Like, we see that we are completely respecting this fair value gap. Boom, a bullish candle, just enter, put your stop loss down there, and your take profit would have been this hourly high over there. As you guys can see, it would have hit our take profit just in a few minutes. But I missed this entry, but on Nasdaq, I am into this trade because I really kind of like price have to come at least take out these, or we do have this 5 minute fair value at top of these. But if you look at the higher time frame on hourly, bro, we are too much overbought. As I could even just take like equilibrium market equilibrium from this low to this high range, and that would be almost in line with our take profit, as you guys can see over here. But like it's exactly in line with our take profit, so I really want to see this equilibrium to get hit, and that's my like main confidence. But let's hope that it hits our take profit. But if you look at overall on my dashboard, uh, let's see if it can reload over here. Let me show you guys that we lost actually the trade yesterday, and we are currently down around $70 something on the count. But it's part of the game. I have lost two trades in a row, so I'm kind of like in a losing streak right now. Let's hope that we can get it out of it. Come on, update my dashboard so I can show you guys. It's kind of consolidating a lot, but as of now, I mean, like there is a big chance that it could go and hit our stop loss. Like if you look at the 5 minute time frame, this is what makes me like think that it's gonna go and hit our stop loss. That's because look, on lower time frame, on higher time frame, our price prediction is 100% correct. I'm 100% sure the price is gonna come down. But on lower time frame, if you look, we do have these 5 minute. Let me just remove this equilibrium. Like, look, we do have this 5 minute fair value gap that we are currently respecting a lot. Like, look, price did come into this, we respected that, we broke 5 minute structure to the upside. But if we see a 5 minute break to the downside, if we can just close like below these lows over there, that would be perfect. But yeah. So as you guys can see, yesterday we lost $77, and we are currently $88 in loss on the count. But yeah, we lost the trade yesterday, so as you guys can see, $73 in a loss. But let's hope that we hit take profit today, because it would be like 3 trading days that we are losing. But I'm showing you guys when I lose, and I'm showing you guys when I win. So both of it. We have traded 4 days only. And yeah, that's it for today.